Beach holiday or city break?
Beach holiday.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
Ice cream or popsicle?
Ice cream.
Air conditioning on full blast or just a fan?
Full blast.
Pool day or beach day?
Pool day.
Summer in the UAE or summer abroad?
In the UAE, less traffic, less crowd.
Early morning walk or evening stroll?
Early morning walk.
Watermelon or mango?
Mango.
Book by the pool or explore the destination?
By the pool without a book.